working today. So spend a day with me. Spend a day with me. We are at Mercure. Oh, sorry. We're at Mercure Hotel. There's boxing here happening. It's about to start, and I'm excited. And I'm drinking coffee because I will need the strength. But yeah, other than that, chill around. I saw flowers, so I'm going to take pictures of flowers right now. Guys, I'm just getting home. Today, a lot of things happened. First and foremost, my story finally got there on TV. My first story ever as an intern. Got a little bit grilled because of it, but we love feedback. We love to hear so that we can grow and improve. But on a happier note, I also had my first ever performance as a poet. Now, usually my pieces are only on Substack, but we finally got a piece out there. We did, and I'm so happy. I'm gonna let you guys watch that, but I don't think I'm gonna put the whole clip there because it's too long. So yeah, enjoy yourselves. Surviving you. Your compliments arrive like unpaid debts at my doorstep, demanding gratitude for bare minimum of human decency. So forgive me if my smile does not leap out to greet your ego, if my laughter does not twirl itself into something digestible for your appetite. It's not you. Actually, no. Maybe it is you. Because I've learned that some men speak in flowers while their intentions smell like grapes. I apologize for refusing to become another statistic scribble proudly into the margins of your masculinity.
Oh, come on.
I apologize for not volunteering my body to the greedy hands of a grown man still searching for his mother inside every woman he touches. Funny thing, right? Alright guys, I think the video is getting a bit too long, so I'm gonna end this video here. So do consider commenting, subscribing, and sharing the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Toodles!